welcome to my channel. I'm Liah, and today we're going to be making the magic paperclip experiment. This might seem like an ordinary paperclip to you, but what you don't know is its extraordinary memory powers. This paperclip is made out of a miraculous blend of metals called an alloy. This specific type of alloy is called nitinol. For this experiment, you're going to need 4 things: a tea kettle or a microwave-safe bowl, tweezers, and a nitinol paperclip. Now we have everything we need to do this experiment. First, heat up some water in a tea kettle or in a microwave. Then, pour in some water. That's good. You might need the help of an adult to heat the water up. Now we can start having fun with the paperclip. It's just a normal paperclip, but now you can twist it into any shape you like a spring or even a zigzag. Now that it's bent into a shape, grab it with the tweezers, and here starts the magic. It's folded. It's going and voila! Voila! The paperclip has returned to its original paperclip shape. How did this happen? Well, the atoms in nitinol are at a certain temperature are shifted back to their remembered shape, aka the paperclip. This can be done many times. Nitinol is made out of 2 metals, nickel and titanium. Its unique molecule structure helps it maintain its shape and memory, which causes the wire in nitinol to shift back to its remembered shape, the paperclip. I hope you had fun doing this experiment with me, because I sure did. Thanks for watching. Bye! I said bye!